Well, today was a classic Michigan day. Just wait 5 minutes and the weather will change. This morning, we were kind of like in the donut hole with lots of sunshine, and then now we're in the donut. Let's take a look at the 13 weather ball. We have some showers in sight early tonight. That's why it's blinking bright, but warmer weather ahead, and that's why it's red. This view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. My Point up in Fremont, look at all that sunshine this morning. Hey, it's going to be a great day here in West Michigan. Oh, here come the clouds, and then, oh yeah, here comes the rain. It cooled off quickly from the mid and upper 60s into the 50s right now, and still some rain, especially from Grand Rapids to the west and south. Northeast counties, you may escape the rain this evening. Where the rain has moved in and the wind off the lake, it's dropped from the 60s into the 50s now, 57 out at the airport. Close to 70 over in Howell with some sunshine. We saw the clearing skies last night, but the clouds have filled back in, and look at all of this rain that's wrapping around that upper level low that is currently up over northern Lake Michigan. It is backed up from northern Lake Huron back to Lake Michigan. It's just kind of spinning in through here, but it will spin on out later on this evening between about 8 and 11 o'clock. After that, we've got a nice day coming up here on Wednesday, but we have another little wave of energy coming through. This will be for Thursday night into Wednesday night into Thursday morning before that clears on out. That's that last round of rain we've been talking about all week. And then nice day on Friday. We got a nice day coming up on Saturday. And I think even on Sunday we may eke out a nice day here in West Michigan. So all the way around looking good after we get through this evening's rain showers. Temperatures are going to start to warm up after a couple of days in the 60s. We'll be in the mid 70s here tomorrow. Look at all this warm weather off to our west. We'll see that rain and some clouds early on Thursday keep us in the mid 70s, but then close to 80 here on Friday. And here we go. Big warm up coming the rest of next week. It's also reflected at the end of our 10-day forecast from the 19th through the 23rd. High chances will be much warmer than our average high of 81, and we'll continue with that dry period during that 5-day span. Forecast out of Lake Michigan, look for rain this evening. Waves will come down to calm to 1 foot as winds will be out of the north-northwest. Waves will pile up down toward down toward the St. Joseph area later on this evening. So the clouds and the showers will end this evening with clearing skies, mid and upper 40s to near 50 degrees from north to south. Northern zones low and mid 50s as skies will become mostly clear. From Grand Rapids southward, evening rain and then some clearing, with overnight lows in the mid and upper 40s. 13 on your side forecast. Again, we'll be dry tomorrow. Tomorrow night, we may see that shower through early Thursday with a little bit of haze on Friday now. Here come the 80s over the weekend and even upper 80s by the end of next week. Summer officially arriving next week as well, and so does the humidity and maybe even a chance of a thunderstorm. That looks like summer weather.
Absolutely. Thank you, George.
Definitely a change in the weather pattern today from sunny to rainy in many areas, especially along the lakeshore. 13 weather ball is revving up here tonight. It is red and blinking bright for warmer weather ahead and some showers early tonight. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Oh, poor Buck. Yeah, you got that look. Hey, there's going to be some showers this evening. So I'm going to give the yellow paw to Jake and Tara. But things will clear up here later on tonight. Green ball by a 10, and in the morning, everything will be dry and a nice green paw for you, Buck. As far as our sunshine, a lot more here tomorrow. We'll be out of the donut hole that we were in today. 8.6 out of a 10-point scale to generate that green electricity from the sun. Winds have been fairly light. They'll be light again here during the day tomorrow. We were in that area this morning where there was plenty of sunshine, and then just like in Michigan fashion, wait 5 minutes, the weather will change. We saw the clouds come in and now some showers in many areas, but they're going to rotate out later on this evening. That low pressure system that was over Lake Huron yesterday now has moved over northern Lake Michigan. This will all just slowly spin to the east overnight tonight and during the day tomorrow. So the showers will end this evening. We'll have a nice dry day coming up tomorrow. Lots of sunshine. Got another little wave of energy, a cold front coming down through. That will be for late Wednesday night through Thursday morning before the sun returns Thursday afternoon. So there is one chance this evening and again here very early on Thursday. Then we head into the weekend. Sunny skies on Friday, lots of sunshine Saturday. We've taken the rain out of the forecast now for Father's Day on Sunday. It was a very small chance, and we just completely took it out. So we got a great Father's Day coming your way. Temperatures are going to start to warm up. We'll be into the mid-70s tomorrow rather than the 60s like we've been the last couple of days. Mid-70s again during the day on Thursday, and we'll get close to 80 then during the day on Friday. Motorcyclists will be happy with that. As far as our long-range outlook from June 21 through 27, that's the first day of astronomical summer. Yeah, it's going to be higher chances for warmer temperatures up into the low 80s, and we'll be back to at least an equal chance for more or less precipitation during that 7-day period. Water temperatures, though, have dropped into the 40s from Mears State Park northward, low in mid-50s from about that area southward. Made 61, though, in Van Buren State Park earlier today. Tonight, we'll look for those scattered showers to end early, and then skies will be clearing. 43 to 45 northern portions of the lakeshore zone, right around 50 in Muskegon, Holland, and South Haven. Low in mid-40s northern zone. You'll escape the rain this evening with clearing skies. And evening rain followed by clearing skies, at least from Grand Rapids eastward. Overnight lows mid to upper 40s. 13 on your side forecast. But back into the 70s Wednesday and Thursday, and look at that. Warming up nicely. Little haze in the air on Friday, but sunshine Saturday and for Father's Day on Sunday. Next week, mid and upper 80s and some higher humidity coming on in just in time for summer to arrive I think it's next Friday. Next Wednesday, I should say, and there's also a chance of some summertime thunderstorms. Well, sometimes you're the donut, sometimes you're the donut hole. That kind of characterized today's weather. We had sunshine in that donut hole today, and then the rain moved in, so that was the donut part. 13 weather ball tonight is blinking bright, no donuts in sight. But warmer weather ahead, it's red as well. This view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Blinking bright with those showers in sight early tonight. Where the sun was out, it made 70 plus, including here in Grand Rapids, where it stayed or it became cloudy with the showers, only made the mid 60s. That's where we thought we would be today. So we missed on our forecast today. We've only had 2 misses here in the past 31 days. Along the lakeshore, about 1/10 of an inch, up to 1/4 in some areas. We had just a trace out at the airport here this afternoon. And now we're running a little bit below average for our temperatures. Pretty close, though. Quite a bit below with our precipitation, pretty close to average with our sunshine. You can blame the cool weather for the last couple of days. Upper level winds have got this low pressure system. It's finally going to lift on out here later on this week, and we're going to see some real warm weather start to come in. Over the weekend will be 80 plus and even warmer than that as we get into next week. In fact, temperatures may be approaching 90 in a couple of spots if we play our cards right. We saw that sunshine earlier today. This is from right around sunrise. Yep, that's the donut hole. Then here came the showers. It's all being caused by that low pressure system that is migrated from northern Lake Huron to northern Lake Michigan. This is all going to lift on out, and the rain will end later on this evening. This is 7 o'clock this evening. Look at how quickly that rain moves on out after about 11 o'clock. We'll have clearing skies inland, partly to mostly cloudy at the lakeshore. Lots of sunshine and dry weather coming up on Wednesday. A little bit of a cold front coming down very early on Thursday morning that will have a brief shower, especially from US 131 eastward, but a lot of sunshine in the afternoon. And then dry weather from here on out for Friday. Lots of sunshine. A lot of sunshine as well on Saturday. Just a few fair weather cumulus clouds. And now, even on Sunday, we took the rain out of the forecast. It was a very small chance to begin with, so we will see that come to an end. As far as our forecast for Lake Michigan, you can expect 1-foot waves along the lake shore throughout the day tomorrow, but water temperatures still only in the mid 50s at most. But just make sure put on your sunscreen if you're headed over there tomorrow. So sunny and a little bit of wildfire haze that will come back into the picture early in the day. Mid and upper 60s, maybe 70 in Muskegon. Northern zones, again, sunshine, maybe a little of that wildfire haze early on. Mid 70s, a lot warmer in many areas. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll see our temperatures climb up into the mid 70s. 13 on your side forecast. After this evening's rain and that small chance tomorrow night and early on Thursday, very dry and warm. 80 plus starting on Saturday, mid 80s on Father's Day. And then as we get toward the first day of summer next Wednesday, we'll throw in some humidity as well. along with temperatures in the mid and upper 80s.